Yay!
Welcome to Cooking with Vlad, the show where recipes are sent in, and you can make them from the comfort of your own hovel. Today's recipe was sent in by one Miss Gertrude Grindelwich from Salem. My dear mom, she was a Hungarian bot, you know. She would say to me, Vlad, cooking is a science. You must follow the recipe exactly to get it right. So today, grab some paper and a pencil or quill and ink and parchment paper, whatever you fancy, and follow along with our recipe. Now, the very first ingredient you want to add is going to be the teeth of a vampire. Add that into the portion. Take some time at home now to copy down the recipe. The first ingredient, teeth of a vampire.
The teeth of a vampire.
The second ingredient is the fingers of a witch. Yes, no, Mrs. Grindelich, she did not specify how many, so we just throw in a bunch of them. So we go. Take some time to copy down that ingredient, the fingers of a witch.
The fingers of a witch.
The next ingredient is the ears. Yes, the ears of a monster. The ears of a monster. There you go. Copy down that ingredient. Ears of a monster.
The ears of a monster.
Oh, you're back with us. I was noticing my other ears of a monster. They smell a little off. I think we throw them in there as well. I had to get them out of the kitchen. The very next ingredient in the recipe will be the wings of a bat. Oh, yeah. Take that one. Yeah, that wing of a bat right there. Okay, take the time to, with your pencil and paper or parchment and ink, to write down that on next recipe, the wings of a bat. It doesn't matter too much, a Hungarian bat or whatever you've got handy.
The wings of a bat.
Alright, the very next ingredient is going to be the tail of the mouse, but it's just that all mouse is fallen, but that's okay, the tail is still on there. Take some time to write down that next ingredient, the tail of a mouse needs to go in, yes.
The tail of a mouse.
Oh, the next ingredient, one of my favorites, is the eyes of a mummy. You know, the eyes. Make sure you have some fresh ingredients. The eyes of a mummy, yes, and drop those in. Sometimes you can buy the eyes of a mummy in bulk form. I like the bulk forms as well. Yeah, throw the eyes of a mummy in there. Take some time now to copy down that ingredient into your recipe. The eyes of a mummy. The big one might have been from a daddy.
The eyes of a mummy.
Ah, yes, now, our last ingredient The legs of a spider, the legs of a spider. You don't have to freak out, but legs of a spider, just put those spiders all legs anyways, right? Now, copy down that next ingredient, the legs of a spider. Write that down. Good.
The legs of a spider.
Yes, let's give that portion a good stirring up. Let's mix that up very well. Yes, that should be good. Now take an empty vial. You want to dip it in and pick up some of the portion in it. There we go. Now this portion, if we've made it correctly following the ingredients, this portion shall be an elixir of youth, of making me young again and strong and powerful. Yes. Think it down now. Oh, I think I can feel it working already.
Oh no, that didn't work.
Cooking with Vlad was filmed at Transylvania Studios in front of a dead audience. No animals were actually hurt or cooked during the filming of this show.